Are you tired of guessing whether or not a gluten-free diet is right for you? Do you want to know for certain whether or not you need to avoid gluten to maintain and achieve optimal health? If so, genetic testing for gluten sensitivity may be the answer you've been looking for. With just a simple cheek swab, you can learn whether or not you have a genetic predisposition to gluten sensitivity and celiac disease. And though this test cannot diagnose you, it can help you understand whether or not you are predisposed to developing gluten-related health issues. This knowledge can be incredibly valuable for those who are looking to make informed decisions about their diet and overall health. Researchers estimate that gluten sensitivity is much more common than previously thought. Some studies show that as many as 13% of the population is gluten sensitive. And contrary to what your doctor may have told you, gluten-induced damage is not isolated to the GI tract. Here's what world-leading expert Dr. Peter Green of Columbia University has to say about it. Recent studies are showing that gluten sensitivity may be much more common than previously thought. It may in fact be a separate disease entity that involves different organs and different mechanisms than celiac disease. The acceptance of gluten sensitivity as a valid condition has evolved. Another group of researchers from Oxford said this: gluten sensitivity is characterized by abnormal immunological responsiveness to ingested gluten in genetically susceptible individuals. Celiac disease or gluten-sensitive enteropathy is only one aspect of a range of possible manifestations of gluten sensitivity. In some individuals, gluten sensitivity was shown to manifest solely with neurological dysfunction. And that's not all. Scientists have confirmed that gluten can damage the heart, thyroid, liver, joints, bones, muscles, brain, nerves, and skin. Gluten has been demonstrated to both cause and to worsen certain types of autoimmune disease. Knowing whether or not you have genetic predisposition to gluten can help you decide whether or not you should commit to the diet, as so many people experiencing autoimmune symptoms see tremendous benefits when cutting gluten out. And perhaps most importantly, genetic testing for gluten sensitivity may help you to avoid the potential long-term health risks associated with a gluten-filled diet. As I stated earlier, studies have shown that those with gluten sensitivity are at high risk for a number of illnesses. Perhaps one of the most alarming statistics comes from a study published in the prestigious medical journal Gastroenterology, where researchers found that gluten-sensitive individuals with celiac disease who continued to eat gluten had a nearly 4-fold increased risk for death. Look, gluten is no joke. This test measures both the HLA-DQ alpha-1 and beta-1 gene alleles for celiac, but unlike other online DNA tests, it also measures for non-celiac gluten sensitivity gene predispositions. So if you're ready to take control of your health and make informed decisions about your diet, you are a simple cheek swab away from knowing if a gluten-free diet can help you reach optimal wellness.